This is an antique quarter-striking mantel clock by Lenzkirch, made by the Lenzkirch Clock Company in the German Black Forest around 1875. The case is a pleasant figured walnut which is decorated with gilt brass mounts and finials, with filigree sound grills to the side. It stands on gilt brass bracket feet. It has a gilded brass dial with a silver chapter ring and a fast-slow regulation dial above it. The 8-day quarter-striking ting-tang movement is marked Lenzkirch A.G.U 1 million and numbered 56 and 314858. It has its original pendulum, which is also marked 56. These clocks strike on 2 gongs with different tones. At quarter past, it gives 1 strike on the first gong and then a second strike on the second gong, making a pleasant ting-tang. At the half hour, it does this twice, and at the quarter to, it does it 3 times. At the hour, it strikes on one of the gongs. At 8 o'clock, it will strike 8, and at 9 o'clock, it will strike 9, and so on. The clock retains its original distinctive Lenzkirch winding key, along with the keys for the front and back door. Now, this clock is for sale on our website. It's in full working order. It's been serviced and tested, and it runs well. It stands 16 inches or 40 centimetres high, 11.5 inches or 29 centimetres wide, 8.25 inches or 21 centimetres deep. Thank you for watching.